We're urging people not to wait for the third dose if they don't have to, because COVID won't be waiting.
And so the message from officials has shifted from snowstorms back to COVID restrictions and vaccines. The City of Toronto's latest efforts to get third doses administered focused on an older demographic, with more than 330,000 residents over 50 still eligible for the booster.
There have been increased efforts by Team Toronto to reach out to residents who are 50 years and older and who have yet to receive their third dose, and especially in neighbourhoods where there's low vaccine uptake. We know the third dose does make a difference.
As with earlier vaccine campaigns, Toronto is now starting to use different outreach tactics, including more than 50,000 text messages and phone calls to those living in the northwest part of the city.
Join us on Sunday, January 23rd at the Aviva Centre at York University and get vaccinated right near your home.
Just as the city and Toronto health partners ramp up their VaxTO and Vax the Northwest efforts, the major snowstorm that rolled through the city on Monday forced clinics to close, making it that much more difficult for people to get out and get vaccinated over the last few days.
My dad was looking at the news and he saw that on my 17th appointment, just 3 days ago, that it was canceled because of the weather. And I went outside and I saw that he was right. He said his car would get stuck, so he didn't go anyway.
The bus service is damn slow, but anyhow, I need to get the booster shot, so I got it.
With vaccination clinics once again back up and running, the 5 city-run locations will now be offering walk-in opportunities for those 50 plus this coming Sunday and Monday.
Nothing has stood in our way. I mean, a storm, gives you a day where you're a bit dislocated for the day, but nothing is standing in our way. Our determination on this is absolute because we know that in the areas where it's 25%, those people are more vulnerable.
Local officials also continuing to push the message that third doses are needed as soon as possible, emphasizing that 25,000 appointments are now available at city-run clinics over the next month. Those that have booked later can move it up.
We have strong evidence from Ontario that the COVID-19 vaccine remains highly effective at preventing severe outcomes from Omicron, including hospitalization and admission to the ICU.
Mark McAllister, City News.